Just like you did, I'm sure I started the same way. I came online and I typed how to make money online. This led me down the rabbit hole, down the path on the journey I'm currently on to affiliate marketing. And I want to say affiliate marketing is the gateway drug, the drug that leads you to building your own business. Once you get a taste of how to make money using affiliate marketing, and that's what this video is about. But you have to understand, to get started, there are a lot of things that you need to know. To get to the magical $100 a day in affiliate marketing, making money online, getting to $100 a day, there are things you need to know and you need to understand. I want to show you a few things, talk about what affiliate marketing really is and what it really isn't, and also show you $100 a day that I made as affiliate marketing and explain how I did that. Over at Warrior Plus, you can see from 12/19 to 12/23, which is 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 5 days, you can see that I earned $573 in the span of those 5 days, or $100 a day. And just to keep it real, go back to the sales dashboard, you can see this isn't $100 a day every day, because simply when it comes to this marketplace and these types of products, there simply aren't enough products that I feel comfortable promoting to my audience that helps them solve their real problem, which is learning how to be an affiliate marketer and making money online. That's my choice. Now, there are other people that use that marketplace exclusively that promote anything and everything on that marketplace daily that ramp that up to $100 a day. This is the key about affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is building an audience, building an audience that trusts you on your recommendations, the recommendations that you make about products. This is your name, this is your brand. So how do you feel about recommending something every day, whether you use it or not? That's what affiliate marketing is, making recommendations on products that you use. If you use a product every day, or a different product that you know is going to help somebody, then recommend that product every day or a different product every day. And this is how you get to $100 a day and scale way beyond $100 a day as an affiliate marketer. But at the beginning, this is what you have to understand. There are terms, there are things you need to know. There are definitions, words that you'll hear that you may not know. This is what I'm talking about when I'm talking about affiliate marketing being the gateway to an online business. To build an online business, you have to learn business, and learning and understanding business you can do very easily and quickly as an affiliate marketer. And to help you do that, link in the description, Affiliate Lingo, a special report, the most commonly used terminology in the multi-million-dollar affiliate industry. There's a button here. It says download report. Simply click that button and it will download this report. No opt-in, no email opt-in. Just do me a favor, come back to the channel after you read the report and tell me if this report helped you or not with the information that you need to know, starting with this introduction and some things that you need to understand about affiliate marketing. And then as it moves into Affiliate Marketing 101 and it gets into the terminology, if and or you see a term in here that you didn't know and this report helped you, simply come back to the channel and let me know in the comments that this report helped you. Or if you need to know more, ask questions, and then I can create another video, or we can set up a one-on-one call and we can talk about affiliate marketing and how you can get started. In that report is a link, an affiliate link of mine to an affiliate training program. That is my #1 recommendation. Go ahead, click that link, check that out. If you have questions, again, come back here in the comments and ask. There's also a link to a tool in there that gives you everything you need to get started as an affiliate marketer. And I make videos here on the channel about that tool, and you can check those out as well. And to check that tool out and to understand more about affiliate marketing as I walk you through how I use that tool in my business, click on this video that you see right here. Watch that. I look forward to seeing you in that video, and I'll talk to you later.